How do you build tables and matrices in Power BI? Let's take a look. In order to build a table, click the table option, and you can drag whichever columns you want. You can put region, category, subcategory, sales, and profit into the table. You can change the order by changing the order within the columns. And that's a table in Power BI. If you want to build a matrix in Power BI, click on the matrix option, and we can start by bringing in fields like category onto rows, subcategory onto rows, and region onto columns. Let's bring in a measure like sales and put sales onto values. That gives us a column for each region and a drill down for each category and subcategory. I can click on furniture to expand into the subcategories. And that's how you build tables and matrices in Power BI.